Is the era of heavy, expensive cinema drones finally over? Imagine capturing Hollywood-grade, 6K footage in total darkness, with a drone that fits right in your pocket. Welcome back to TechVibe. If you were thinking about dropping your hard-earned cash on a new drone today, you need to stop and put your wallet away right now. Because massive, industry-shaking leaks regarding the highly anticipated DJI Mini 6 Pro have just surfaced, and they confirm what we all thought was completely impossible for a drone weighing under 250 grams. We are talking about a massive 1-inch stacked CMOS sensor, groundbreaking LiDAR night vision, and an unbelievable 60-minute battery life. In today's video, we are breaking down all the authentic leaks, supply chain rumors, and official FCC breadcrumbs to give you the ultimate sneak peek into DJI's next masterpiece. Whether you are a professional filmmaker, a real estate photographer, or a travel vlogger, what DJI has planned for the Mini 6 Pro will completely redefine how you shoot. Stick around until the very end, because the rumored release date and pricing strategy might completely change your upgrade plans. Let's dive in. First, let us talk about the most jaw-dropping upgrade coming to the Mini 6 Pro, the camera system. For years, the holy grail of the sub-250-gram drone category has been fitting a true 1-inch sensor into that tiny gimbal payload. With the previous models, we saw incremental upgrades, but the physical limitations of weight and thermals always held back the true cinematic potential. Well, according to the latest authentic supply chain leaks, DJI has finally cracked the code. The DJI Mini 6 Pro is heavily rumored to feature a revolutionary 1-inch stacked CMOS Titan sensor. But what does that actually mean for you? A stacked sensor drastically improves readout speeds, meaning rolling shutter artifacts, that annoying jello effect when you pan too quickly, will be virtually eliminated. Your fast-moving shots will be crisp, clean, and perfectly straight. But the camera upgrades do not stop there. The leaks are pointing towards a variable aperture system, ranging from f/1.7 to f/11. This is absolutely massive for professional creators and serious hobbyists. Previously, if you wanted to maintain that cinematic 1/60 shutter speed on a bright, sunny day, you had to land your drone, physically screw on an ND filter, and launch again. With a variable aperture built right into the Mini 6 Pro, you can seamlessly adjust your exposure in the air, right from your controller. This level of exposure control was previously reserved for the much heavier, far more expensive Mavic series. Now, you get that same mechanical iris in a drone that fits in your jacket pocket. Now, let us move on to resolution, because the DJI Mini 6 Pro is preparing to spark the 6K revolution. The rumor mill suggests this new stack sensor will be fully capable of shooting 6K video at up to 30 frames per second, and 4K video at a blistering 120 frames per second for ultra-smooth slow motion. For creators in premium markets like the US, UK, and Australia, where high-resolution content is practically mandatory, having 6K resolution is a complete game-changer for your post-production workflow. Even if you only deliver your final videos in 4K or 1080p, shooting in 6K gives you an incredible amount of leeway to punch in, reframe, crop, and stabilize your footage without losing a single pixel of detail. You can shoot a sweeping landscape, and then seamlessly crop into a specific subject during the editing process, essentially giving you two distinct camera angles from a single flight. But what happens when the sun goes down? This is where the Mini 6 Pro truly separates itself from everything else on the market. We are hearing strong reports that DJI is integrating a miniaturized nightscape LiDAR system into the drone. Historically, obstacle avoidance systems on mini drones relied strictly on visual cameras. When it got dark, those cameras became blind, forcing the drone to disable its obstacle avoidance and leaving your expensive gear vulnerable to crashes. LiDAR changes everything. By emitting laser pulses to map the environment in real time, the Mini 6 Pro will have full, 360-degree omnidirectional obstacle avoidance that works flawlessly in total pitch-black darkness. Imagine confidently tracking a subject through a dense forest at dusk, or flying through an urban environment at night without constant sweating over unseen tree branches or power lines. The drone will literally see the invisible. Another massive addition we are hearing about is the integration of a dedicated neural processing unit to power an entirely new AI creative director mode. Forget basic subject tracking. This new system is rumored to understand the context of what you are filming. If you are tracking a mountain biker, the drone will automatically anticipate terrain changes and adjust the gimbal roll up to 225 degrees to capture incredibly dynamic, sweeping cinematic FPV-style shots. It will calculate the optimal framing, adjust the camera settings in real time, and execute complex orbital maneuvers without you ever having to touch the right stick. It essentially puts a Hollywood camera operator inside a drone that fits in the palm of your hand. Speaking of urban environments, let us discuss connectivity. The Mini 6 Pro is slated to debut with DJI's next-generation 05 transmission system. If you have ever flown in a major city, you know that Wi-Fi interference in towering buildings can brutally disrupt your video feed, causing terrifying signal drops. The new 05 system is engineered to combat this exact problem. It offers a rock-solid, high-penetration signal that promises a flawless 1080p, 60 frames per second live feed to your controller. While the marketing materials might boast a 25-kilometer maximum range, the real-world benefit for premium users is bulletproof stability at close and medium ranges, even in the most congested, high-interference environments imaginable. Now, we need to address the elephant in the room: flight time. As features increase, so does power consumption. Yet, leaks indicate the DJI Mini 6 Pro will feature an astonishing 60-minute maximum flight time. How is this possible under the strict weight limit? DJI is reportedly utilizing a brand new high-density solid-state battery technology. These high-energy cells pack significantly more power into the exact same physical footprint and weight class as the older batteries. In real-world conditions, accounting for wind resistance and aggressive flying, you are looking at a solid 45 to 50 minutes of actual airtime. That means less time stressing about your battery percentage and more time focusing on capturing that perfect golden hour shot. For our viewers in the United States and other heavily regulated countries, we cannot overstate the importance of the sub-250-gram weight limit. The Mini 6 Pro is engineered specifically to slide right under that magic number. This means that, for recreational flyers, you completely bypass the strict FAA registration requirements, remote ID mandates, and the heavy regulatory burdens associated with larger drones. You get the 1-inch sensor, the variable aperture, the 6K video, and the LiDAR safety of a massive professional cinema rig, all packaged in a consumer-friendly weight class that allows you to fly with total peace of mind. It is the ultimate Trojan horse of the drone world. So, when can you actually get your hands on the DJI Mini 6 Pro, and how much will it empty your wallet? Supply chain analysts and FCC filing timelines point toward a highly anticipated release in late 2026, perfectly timed for the holiday buying season. Because of the massive technological leaps, especially the stack sensor and LiDAR system, expect a noticeable price bump over the current lineup. The base package will likely command a premium price, but given that it directly cannibalizes the capabilities of the larger Air and Mavic series, it will still offer unparalleled value for the serious creator who needs the absolute best in portable technology. If these leaks hold true, the DJI Mini 6 Pro is not just an upgrade, it is an absolute paradigm shift for aerial cinematography. But what do you think? Is the 1-inch sensor and variable aperture enough to make you wait for the upgrade, or are you perfectly happy with your current drone? Let us know your thoughts right now down in the comments section below. If you found this deep dive valuable, do not forget to smash that like button, subscribe to TechVibe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest and greatest tech leaks and reviews. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.